Hello friends, in this video we will try to learn how we can make bar graph with one factors. So first of all we will make working directory. We have also a lessons on how to you make working directory is actually the connection between our softwares and your system. So after making working directory, then we will import our data files. We have study underscore 4.csv file. So we will using our read.csv function, we will import our data files. After data file, we will see the structures of our data file. That our data file must be in data file. Our treatment variable must be factors, and other parameter must be indicators or numbers. So you can see that here the years, treatment, and variety and applications are not showing as a factor. So we will first convert them into factors. So by using this commands data underscore Shahzad, within data Shahzad, we will convert year into factors, treatment variable also in factor, variety into factors, and application also factor. So we will using this command this thing, and now we will see view again our structure of the data, and you can see that now our structure data has been converted, treatment variable into factors. Here factors with two levels, 1 and 2, treatment variables factors 4 composed controls, and variety also have 4 levels. So treatment also converted into 3 levels, 1, 2, 3. So now your data structure is okay for moving forward. So in next step we will see that we have this data contain multiple years and multiple variety, but we are dealing with one factor, so we will select one. So you can see that in our data sort, and you can say that we have 2 years data, and similarly we have with variety we have also. So we have 4 varieties: BR 17, S5885, S16, and we want that we want only 1 year data and with one variety. So by using subsetting function, we can use our data file, and we will select year is equal to 1, double equal to 1, and variety also BR1. So we want to working in this variety and in this years to make single factor bar graph. So we will do that using that commands. Now the next step is mean calculation. From we have replicated data and we want to calculate mean. So we can dot, so aggregate function we will be used, and dot the treatments we want, and fun, and that is fun. We want to calculate mean, and this is our data file. Data is equal to data underscore output. So we will calculate the mean and standard deviation. So you can see that the R has calculated the mean of our data. So these are the mean of our data, and similarly R has calculated the standard deviation of our data. This is the standard deviations of all parameters of our data. So next step is the we want to make a graph beautiful. So we will correct our x-axis text size, and we want 12. It depend upon our journals or your university thesis requirement. So you can correct axis title what want you, axis text size, axis title size, y-axis text size, and y-axis title size. So you can just you can make what you want. So by running this function, now our axis have y-axis or x-axis have been adjusted. Then is the y-axis label. So this is the label function we can use into label list. So in data files, you can see that if I show you columns, data shares on. So now you can see that we have very short name of our parameters in this file. So now we want to full name of parameters. We are working with this sod to we will write full name of it, and then we will write the complete unit of these parameters. So you understand the lamp functions. It's your here we there are short names of parameters, so you will write the full name of parameters and its unit. So we have we will correct it. Now bus is the width of your bar, and now we move to the bar graph. And so we will use ggplot, and data is equal to mean, and assume that we have made the mean, and then aesthetic x is equal to treatments, and y is equal to sod. The underscore is the background. Then you will make, we want to make bar graph. So width is equal to pos, position is equal to position underscore jar, static identity, and we have want to give this fill for our colors of graph. Then we will have geom bars. We will mean manage sod, and then mean plus sod. So here you will adjust the width of the bars, position of the bars. Then you will what you want x-axis label, and here you will write the y lim, what is the zero and minimum and maximum value of your parameters, and y labels, that we have made sod full name of, well, and you can we will run this command and want to see our graph, what graph has been made. So we will run it, and now you can see that this is the our one factor bar graph. So you can see that then this is the treatments: compost control, hydropriming, and potassium nitrate, and superoxide. So sod, that's our antioxidant, and you can make a beautiful r graph with one factor using all these functions. So I repeat again what we did. I summarize that we what step we did. We first of all make working directory, then we import our data files, then we correct the structure of our data, treatment variables into factors, then we calculated the means, and then we calculated the standard deviation. Then we made adjustment in x-axis and y-axis: text size, label, text title, and y-axis size. Then we correct the y-axis labels. We give the full name on y-axis, and then and pos is the bar width, and then is the we used bar graph ggplot function to make our single factor bar graph. So using all these commands, you can easily make a good bar graph with ours. So keep watching us our channel, and also subscribe our channel for future excellent videos. Thank you very much.